Hi everyone, welcome to Miraculous Microbes. I am Dr. Avinu Idni. Today I would like to discuss about MCQ on bacteriology. Let's get started. First question, syphilis is caused by which of the following organisms? Answer is A. Treponema pallidum causes syphilis disease in humans, which is the venereal or congenital disease in humans. Next question, which of the following terms stand for damage to the spinal cord during the tertiary stage of syphilis? Answer is D. Tabes dorsalis result from damage to the spinal cord. The patient become uncoordinated and loss of reflexes, uncontrollable urination, loss of perception and sensation, blindness and loss of hearing. Next question, which of the following is a specific test for detecting the anti-treponemal antibodies? Answer is C. Two widely used specific tests are fluorescent treponemal antibody FTA and treponema pallidum hemagglutination test, which is TPH. Next question, in which body part does the Campylobacter jejuni cause the infection? Answer is C. Campylobacter jejuni cause the acute exudative and hemorrhagic inflammation of the wall of the small and large intestine. Next question, which disease is caused by Pseudomonas pseudomallei organism? Answer is A. Pseudomonas pseudomallei or a tropical and subtropical soil organism that can cause a disease known as the melioidosis in the large variety of the animals and occasionally in humans. Next question is, which of the following antibiotic is most effective? Answer is C. Exhalation Pseudomonas aeruginosa is resistant to many common antibiotics, although gentamicin and carbapenem are effective against them. Next question is, Frontiac fever is a more severe disease than Legionnaires disease. Answer is B. False. Frontiac fever is a less severe disease characterized by fever, chills, headache, dry cough and muscle pain, and it's a self-limiting and non-fatal. Next question is, which of the following microorganism occurs in swine? Answer is C. Brucellus occurs in swine. They are mainly parasite and pathogen of their domestic animals. Next question is, which drug is used for the treatment of brucellosis in humans? Answer is B. Tetracycline is a choice of drug for the treatment of brucellosis in human. No vaccine is available for human immunization. Next question is, the organism causing the whooping cough can grow on ordinary culture media. Answer is B. False. The organism will not grow on ordinary culture media because such media contain toxic substance such as the unsaturated fatty acid. Starch must be added to the media to absorb these toxic substances. Thank you. I hope this video gave you a clarification in MCQs on bacteriology. I will catch you at the next video related to the microbiology.